So what is going on, guys? My name's Jamie, welcome back to Officially Gas. Now today we're going to be doing something a little bit interesting. We're going to be testing my Golf R's 0 to 60 times. This thing's stage 2 tuned. It absolutely feels like it flies off the line. So we're going to find out exactly what kind of times it can get to 60. So stay tuned and let's get it. So guys, as the intro said, today we're going to be testing the 0 to 60 times on my VW Golf R. Now, for those of you that know and follow my channel would probably know that in my reviews for 2019, what I'll be doing is 0 to 60 in cars, basically testing cars 0 to 60 times, which is really interesting because a lot of the people who come on the channels have never 0 to 60 their car or tested it in any way. So it's like, you know, they've probably got a built up expectation as to what their car should be able to do. And then we kind of put it to the test and we give them their reality kind of figures. So yeah, I thought it's only right that as a benchmark or a kind of a starting point, we do my car too and see what kind of 0 to 60 times my car can get. It's APR stage 2 tuned. I'll quickly run through the modifications. So we've got obviously the APR stage 2 software. We've got the TCU, the DSG gearbox software. It's actually running the V2.6 APR software, so it's the newest software. We've got a full MILTECK, turbo back, decatted MILTECK, non-res exhaust system. We've also got a ram air intake, a VWR racing elbow that comes off the turbo, and we have, I think that's it. Is that it? And also we have a AIRTEC front mount intercooler. The car has actually been dynoed. It's running 412 brake horsepower, and as I say, it gets off real well. This thing flies. Now APR kind of quote figures about how fast you can get to 60 with my car's state of tune, and it's anywhere from about 3.6 to 3.2 seconds, which absolutely sounds unreal when you think about it. 4-door hatchback, a Golf, a 2-litre Golf, doing it in those kind of times. So today I'm going to put it to the test and see if it actually can do those 0 to 60 claimed figures or around that. Stock form, these cars are quoted 4.8 to 60, and that's with a DSG gearbox, which this has. So this here is what we're going to be doing it with. It's actually the Draggy. It's a GPS measured little thingy-majig. Quite cool, quite slim. A couple of magnets on the bottom. It needs to be laid horizontally anywhere in the car pretty much, and then it connects to an app on your phone. And these things are so precise, guys. When I tell you, like, these are now gospel. A lot of people have taken these to drag strips, checked them against the drag strip timer, and they're pretty much bang on exactly the same. So these are legitimately, like, you know, gospel. These tell you how fast your car basically gets to 60 precisely. Loads of people are using them. As I say, it connects to a little app on your phone. They retail for about £120. I paid a little bit under. So as I say, this is the Draggy GPS, and this is how we'll be measuring it. So guys, basically the app looks a little bit like this when you open it up. You basically press connect. It loads up. I don't know how well you can see this. It loads up and it connects to the GPS, in which time you get a little flashing light. I think once it's fully connected, it gives you a flashing light like every 2 seconds. Not a pulsing one. I think right now it's actually connecting. It's actually finding or sending the satellite data to the Draggy or something like that. So it literally takes about 10 seconds to load up, and then you are good to go pretty much. And as soon as you start rolling, this thing starts measuring. So it's always measuring. So you don't have to press anything to start it or anything like that. You simply put it horizontally, and that's the screen you get. So as soon as you start moving, it literally starts recording, gives you your times. Sometimes it tells you if it's valid or invalid too, because also what you've got to take into consideration is the inclines and declines on roads. I think if you get over a certain amount of incline or decline on the reading when you give it a go, like 0 to 60, it's either valid or invalid. So it's within certain parameters. I couldn't tell you exactly what they are. So you've got to have a flat bit of road, which is pretty obvious if you think about it. So without further ado, I'm not going to talk no more. let's get to a safe road and let's get it. Right guys, so we are ready to do our first launch, and for the first one I am going to launch it. I think I'll do a series of different ones, so I'll just try planting it, I'll launch it, and we see what kind of times we can get. Right, 60 real quick, let's see exactly what this bad boy got. Okay, so that's a 3.64 and that's verified, so I just click on it. What I'll do is I'll put it on screen large now. So yeah, 3.64 on the first launch. Pretty good. Cold tires. Happy with that. Let's see what else we can do. A lot of wheel spin there. Cut traction. It was a little bit. So I don't expect good things from that launch. So that was a verified 4.2. Not that happy about that one, but the first one was good, so it makes up for it. The road surface I'm coming off is very slippery, so we're losing traction. It did cut power on that one, so I didn't expect it to be good, but that's what it was. So we try another one whilst we're here. Ooh, now that felt fast. You see exactly what that is. Ooh, that was a quick one, guys. 3.51 seconds. Alright, that's quick. That is quick. I think the tires are warming up now a little bit more. Perhaps we got a better grip on that one. I'm not sure, but 3.51. Right guys, so in the name of science, let's get it. Wow, that one felt quick. That one felt kind of quick still. Close. 3.57. So now we're in the 3.5 kind of territory. Don't know if it can do better. I think I'll do one more launch to see if we can do it, and then I'll just plant my foot on the last one. But 3.5s, can't really complain. All right, so guys, on that one, not the best, but still good. 3.77. I'm kind of thinking now, seeing at 3.51, that might have been our best time. It is dry, I'm not gonna lie. It's not perfectly dry, it's quite cold outside, so the tires might not have that much heat in them. Obviously they would probably be at around optimum temperature now, I'd imagine. So it could be the actual tire letting me down. These aren't very new. They've got a decent amount of tread left on them. I'm actually running Bridgestone Pretenzers all around, 18s, so that could be it. But as I said, we try one more. Let's see how we go. 3.57. So yeah, 3.5s I think is our best at the moment. I'm happy with that. Guys, tell me what you think. Leave your comments. Tell me if you think my car should be going faster, or tell me if you think that's an absolute weapon of a car doing 3.5s. I personally think 3.5s, 3.5 are my best time. Sick. Guys, this is a 2-litre turbo Golf. 3.5 to 60. Are you mad? In my opinion, that's mad. But again, leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Tell me your car's times. As I said, we'll do one more and I'll just plant it and just see what we get for science sake. Ready? No, I'm not gonna lie, that didn't feel that quick. Again, it could be something to do with the road surface I'm doing it on, because I'm kind of coming off a slip every time I do this. And everyone knows that slips are pretty much where they sweep all the shit, the gravel and everything like that, so they are slippery. 4.35. So 4.35 without even launching it is quite good. So yeah, I can't really complain. So yeah, my car's best, 3.5. I'm happy with it. As I say, let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching. If you did enjoy this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This isn't like my usual video, guys who know and watch and subscribe to me know this isn't like my usual video, but I just wanted to switch up a little bit. So yeah, go back, check some of my other content out. I'm sure you like that too, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.